Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and getting the image ready. This step avoids failed uploads. Once done, transfer a 300-400 px boat PNG or JPG to your phone. Next, open the Watch Companion app or the watch's display settings, select wallpapers or watch faces. You should see an option to import or customize. Tap Import, then choose the boat image. Make sure to keep the watch and phone close. A stable Bluetooth can now you import and fine-tune the image so it fits the round or square screen correctly. Use crop and position tools to center the boat, preserve the mast and horizon. Then adjust brightness and contrast so the boat reads well under outdoor lighting. Apply an edge mask if the screen is round. Once you've set scale and filters, choose static versus animated background and always preview on the watch. If the image looks off, tweak scale or contrast and preview again. Finish by saving your new wallpaper and syncing to the watch. You should see the boat immediately on the watch face. If it doesn't appear, reattempt the transfer and check Bluetooth. Sometimes converting the file to a smaller size or different format resolves compatibility errors. Make sure to restart the watch after a failed transfer. If problems persist, reset display settings, but first back up any custom faces. That preserves your configurations and avoids losing saved presets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.